Dear children, today let's discuss a new topic, construction of triangles. At the end of this module, you will be able to construct triangles. Our chapter's name is chapter 10, Practical Geometry. In this chapter, we have to construct triangles with some measurements. Okay, let's see. First, construction of triangles. A triangle is a two-dimensional plane figure made up of three sides and three angles. These are the three sides and these are the three angles. That is, a triangle is made up of three sides and three angles, that we know. In this chapter, we can construct triangles if we know three sides, that is SSS. SSS means side, side, side. That is, if three sides are given, we can construct triangles. Then second option is two sides and the angle between them. Two sides and angle. That is SAS. Side, angle, side. That is SAS. And third option is two angles and the side between them. ASA. Angle, side, angle. Two angles and side between them. And the fourth option, that is the last option, right angle, hypotenuse and one side. RHS. RHS is only for right angled triangle, that is 90 degree angled triangle. There is given 90 degree and the length of hypotenuse and length of one side. Then we can construct a right angled triangle. First, let's see how we construct triangles. First question. Construction of triangle when three sides are given. Three sides means SSS. Question number 1. Construct a triangle PQR. PQ equal to 5 cm, QR equal to 6 cm, PR equal to 4 cm. This is the question for you. Before constructing the triangle, first we draw a rough figure, a rough diagram of a triangle. So you just draw a triangle with using your scale and pencil without correct measurements. You don't take the correct measurement. Just draw a triangle, then put name PQR. It is given in the question. The measurements are given in the questions. So you mark that also. PQ instead of here. PQ equal to 5 centimeter. You just write with your pencil 5 centimeter. QR equal to 6 centimeter. PR equal to 4 centimeter. So you remember PQ 5, PR 4, QR 6. By using the measurements, we have to construct by using our compass and ruler how we construct this triangle. That is today we have to discuss. So you watch here, listen very carefully. This is SSS criterion, that is side, side, side. So this is the rough diagram for you. 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Next, let's see how we construct triangle. First we draw a line segment, correct PQ 5 centimeter. Listen, first we draw a line segment PQ with 5 centimeter length. Next, you take your compass and measure 4 centimeter. That is, in the rough diagram we know PR is 4 centimeter. So you take your compass and measure 4 centimeter in your ruler. Then put the pointer at P. Pointer at P. Then draw a small arc. Yes, like this. Once again listen. You take 4 centimeter in your compass. Then put the pointer at P. That is the sharp end at P. Then draw a small arc like this. Next, we know QR equal to 6 centimeter. That is already given in the rough diagram. QR equal to 6 centimeter. Then put the compass again. Then measure 6 centimeter by your ruler. Then put the pointer at Q at Q, then draw another arc cutting the first arc. If it is not cut by these two, you can extend and cut it. Okay, then we will get a point there, cutting the first arc. Then we will get a point P, then we will get point R, then join PR and QR. Okay, PR and QR. This is the construction of triangle by using SSS criterion. Then mark 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Okay, this is the construction of SSS criterion, triangle by using SSS criterion. Next, we have to construct triangle when two sides and included angle are given. Here two sides are given, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter, and included angle 30 degree is there. Construct a triangle PQR. PQ equal to 5 centimeter, QR equal to 4 centimeter, angle Q equal to 30 degree. It is given in the question. This is the question. So we draw a rough figure. Then PQR, its name is PQR, the same as the question. PQ equal to 5 centimeter, QR equal to 4 centimeter, angle is given 30 degree. That is the speciality. That is SAS criterion. This is SAS criterion. This is the model of our triangle by using SAS criterion. So let's see how we draw this triangle. For this, you draw a line segment PQ with 5 centimeter long. Next, we know Q equal to 30 degree. Then you take your protractor and place at Q. Then you know this is the baseline. Listen, this is the baseline. So you start from here 10, 20, 30. 30 degree. Then mark a point here. Above 30 degree you can mark a point. Point is S. Then draw a line joining Q and S like this. Q and S. You join these two lines. Next, we know line 4 centimeter is QR is 4 centimeter. QR. Then take your compass. Then take measurement 4 centimeter by our scale. By using our scale, draw an arc like this. Once again listen the step. Next, you take your scale, then 4 centimeter measurement by your compass, then draw a small arc. That point is point R. Then join P and R. Join P and R, that is PR. So we will get a triangle PQR by the rule SAS criterion. Okay, SAS criterion. Next, we have to discuss next criterion, that is two angles and one side are given. Listen, construction of triangle when two angles and included side is given. Construct a triangle PQR. PQ equal to 5 centimeter, Q equal to 40 degree, angle P equal to 80 degree like this. Just draw a rough figure. That is, we draw a triangle without measurement. PQ equal to 5 centimeter, angle Q equal to 40 degree, angle P equal to 80 degree. This is the measurement. Then first, for doing this, we use our scale and protractor. Okay, let's see how we discuss this ASA criterion. Okay, ASA criterion, listen. First, this is the model of triangle by using ASA criterion. For this, first we take your scale, then draw PQ with 5 centimeter as usual. Next, you take your protractor, then place the protractor at Q, then take 40 degree. We know in the rough figure that is Q equal to 40 degree. Then by using our protractor, we also take 40 degree, 40 degree. Then mark here point S, then join Q and S. Join Q and S like this. Next, you take your protractor and place here, that is at the point P, and take a measurement of 80 degree like this. See the video. Yes, pointer at 80 degree. Place your compass here. Here you take 80 degree measurement, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. This is 80, but you don't misunderstand. This is 80 and 100. You take start from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. Then 80. Then mark a point there. Above 80 degree, you mark a point T. Then join P and T. Yes, P and T. That point of intersection is called point R. That is point R. So, we got a triangle by using ASA criterion. This is the method of constructing triangle when two angles and one side are given. Next, the last is RHS criterion. Construction of right angled triangle when the hypotenuse and one side are given. Fourth question. Construct a right angled triangle PQR. Angle P equal to 90 degree. PQ equal to 8 centimeter and QR equal to 10 centimeter. This is the rough figure RHS criterion. This criterion is only for right angle triangle. R means right angle, H is hypotenuse, S is one side. This you construct yourself. I just explain how we construct this. For this, you take your scale and measure 8 centimeter. Then draw a line segment by using your scale and pencil. Just put the point P and Q 8 centimeter. Next, you take your protractor. Then put the protractor at P. Then mark 90 degree and draw a long line through 90 degree. Mark here a 90 degree point. Then draw a long line through that point. Next step, you take your compass and measure 10 centimeter in it. Compass and scale. Then 10 centimeter by using your compass. Then put the sharp end, that is the pointer at Q. Then draw a small arc through on the line, on the 90 degree line. Then you will get a point here. Then join this point R and Q. Then we will get a triangle like this. Dear students, you watch the video again and again. Then you construct these 4 questions in your notebook. Okay, thank you.